Prepare a quiet, comfortable space. Before starting, set the right atmosphere. Choose a spot where you won't be interrupted for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Dim or turn off bright lights, silence notifications, and make sure the temperature is comfortable. Lie down on your back with your arms and legs resting naturally. A calm, undisturbed environment creates the mental and physical conditions that make astral projection much easier. Relax the body deeply. Close your eyes and bring awareness to your body. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your weight. Starting from your head and moving downward, release any tightness in your jaw, shoulders, chest, stomach, and limbs. Imagine each muscle melting into stillness. The goal is to reach complete physical relaxation, where your body feels heavy and forgotten. Focus on steady breathing. Shift your attention to your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose. Hold for a moment, and exhale gently through your mouth. Let each breath flow in a natural rhythm, like waves washing ashore. This slows down your brain waves, quiets racing thoughts, and signals your body that it's safe to drift into a meditative state. Use progressive muscle relaxation. To deepen the relaxation, try tensing and releasing each part of your body. Start with your toes. Tense them for a few seconds, then let go completely. Move up to your calves, thighs, stomach, hands, arms, shoulders, and face. This process releases hidden tension you may not notice and makes it easier for your astral body to separate from the physical shell. Clear the mind with visualization. Once your body feels loose and heavy, shift focus to your inner world. Picture a calm, safe scene, perhaps floating gently above the ocean, lying in a peaceful meadow, or drifting among the stars. Visualization keeps your conscious mind engaged so it doesn't wander into random thoughts or sleep, while also preparing you for the sensation of leaving your body. Enter the hypnagogic state, between awake and sleep. Allow your awareness to sink into the in-between state where dreams and reality blur. You may start to see flickering lights, swirling colors, or even hear faint sounds like whispers or humming. Don't resist these sensations. They are signs your mind is slipping into the astral threshold. Stay observant, but detached, letting the experience unfold naturally. Apply the rope technique. Imagine climbing out. Now comes the moment of projection. In your mind, imagine a rope hanging just above you. Without moving your physical body, picture your astral arms reaching up and gripping the rope. Slowly and steadily pull yourself upward, hand over hand. With each imagined movement, you'll feel yourself getting lighter, as if your energy body is separating from the physical one. Feel vibrations and energy shifts. As you pull yourself higher, you'll likely experience strong sensations, intense vibrations, buzzing, tingling, or even the feeling of your whole body shaking. This can be startling, but it's a classic sign you're crossing into the astral plane. Instead of resisting, embrace these sensations as confirmation you're on the right path. Stay calm during separation. The final step of lifting out can trigger excitement or fear, which instantly pulls you back. Instead, remain calm and neutral. Remind yourself that nothing harmful is happening. You are simply shifting awareness. Relax into the feeling of floating, and let the separation complete itself naturally. Explore gently and return safely. Once free, take your time. Don't rush or push for control. Just observe, float, and get used to the new state. You may explore your surroundings, meet guides, or simply hover near your body. When you're ready to return, gently think about your physical body. Your awareness will be pulled back automatically, often with a soft snap. Open your eyes, breathe deeply, and ground yourself before moving.